Alderon's always been about experimentation with sounds and our love for music. Living in Bristol's played a big part in developing that.
There's been lots of different warehouse spaces and art spaces over the years, which allowed many artists and musicians to actually grow and flourish. We're pretty fortunate to have a lot of record shops because of the DJ culture that's existed for a long time.
The last show that we played in Bristol, there was so much energy in the room. Yeah, just brilliant memories.
I think it's just as soon as they start picking up, it is just to support those venues again. The artists might be struggling, but the venues are struggling just as much, as well as the promoters.
I think the natural spaces dotted throughout the city are really important. I know we've used them a lot, especially in writing of this recent album. Spending a lot of time in the studio, it's really important to be able to get outside, get a bit of headspace, and freshen your outlook.
So important, isn't it? Having that time to just unwind and having such quick access to nature, it just helps. There's so many natural rhythms as well that exist in the outside world. It's just an essence of sound, isn't it? And it's just capturing it in some way and putting it back into music.